everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a B6 plan with me in my Naya Papery Traveler's Notebook in Snow. And as opposed to what I'm normally doing, which what I tend to do is talk as I plan, I will be doing a voiceover, as you can tell, and that wasn't my original plan, but due to issues, I've had to put this off way far behind. And however, whilst I was recording, there was so much background noise, you can barely hear me through some of it. So I've just had to change what I originally do. So anyways, this is actually a unplanned rewind plan with me, as it's actually February 19th to the 25th that this one is being planned for. And the reason for that is actually the week of my daughter's birthday, and I was just running around so much. I didn't have a lot of time to plan properly, I should say, and I was just struggling with time, so I've had to back plan this, and even then time got away with me. So anyways, the insert I'm using is actually from my shop, and that is from the Lipstick Planner. And the kit itself is an old format. It's actually a pretty old format that I got in D-Stash from Strawberry Lime Designs, and it is called the Glitter Unicorn. And my daughter, she just loves these purple colors, and she loves unicorns, and I just thought it was the perfect match for her. So I went on with that. Excuse me. So right now, what you can see, what I've done is I have put down the full boxes and I have staggered them just so it'd be easy for me to look at my checklist and just to make them go up and down. And I was really enjoying that look at that time. And then I'm putting on the date covers as well as the headers, which all say today, and they're all in blue. All right, so right now I am just sorting through my stickers to find, what am I looking for? Okay, so this is actually my work stickers that I'm putting down. And as you know, if you've followed me for a while, I do enjoy using my my flags, I should say, for my work, just to mark any days that I'm going in that week. And on that particular week, I was working Monday, Thursday, and Friday, which is why I started that way. So next, I'm putting my ombre checklist down, and I'm moving in from Monday through Friday. And what I'm actually doing is, that's just for the checklist. Normally I do just the single heart ones, but I decided this week she needed all the colors as much as possible because she just loved them all, and I wanted to give her what she wanted. All right, so next what I've actually put in was a big half box, which is for her big birthday, and that just, I needed to remind myself. And then as you can see, I started writing in the actual dates, because if I don't do it immediately, I just forget, and I don't know why. It's always happened. Unfortunately, on the 21st, which was a Wednesday, I wrote it incorrectly, and my whiteout was just not working properly. It was just a horrible one. I threw it out after this video. But for those date covers, I actually do end up covering them later. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting down some quarter boxes, and on Tuesday I've put it down because I've got just a roundup of my class that was happening for my child's speech therapy. And then the quarter box, the little thing that you saw me put down was actually for listings. And for the quarter box on Wednesday was actually for dance class for my daughter. As you know, she was doing dance. On Thursday, I put in a quarter box, and that is actually for an Amazon I had to be delivered, which is actually part of some presents for my daughter, because it was her birthday on a Tuesday, and then she had a party on the Saturday. So this whole week, it was just rounding up for me to buy the remainder stuff for her birthday, and that was just a whole lot going on. All right, so next, I believe I put down a little thing on Friday, which was one of my favorite shows I enjoy watching on a Friday night with a glass of wine, Graham Norton. And then it went in on Saturday. I put a quarter box, and that was for her dance. And then a half box, which is for her party at 2 p.m. And then later on, I actually go in and I put a little sticker down, and that's for coffee with my little man. And then on Sunday, I went in and put a quarter box, and that is actually for a big soft play that I take my kids to every Sunday when they're in school, and Saturday when they're not. All right, so right now what I've just done is I've taken some Crafty Rat design stickers, and I absolutely love her stickers. Becca does a great job hand designing them. And if you like them, you can go to craftyratdesigns.etsy.com and use CRD Angie. And with that code, you get 15% off. And it's £5 minimum, but her stickers are just amazing. All right, so after that, what I've done is I've gone back into Monday and I've put in first weigh-in because the week prior I actually started Weight Watchers, and as of this moment I have lost 14 pounds since then, and I'm very happy with my progress. So watching myself put down the first sticker of when it happened is actually a really good memory right now. All right, so next what I've done is I've put in some Penny the Planner penguin stickers, and those are from my shop, the Lipstick Planner. And I've just put down the shopping penny and grocery shop, the take the wheel, as well as pizza penny, I believe that's been put down. Yes, and the birthday, of course. So what I've done is I'm just going in with my ribbons and I'm putting them down on listing reminder. That's to upload. And then I ended up changing that to dance because I couldn't find my dance sticker, which I normally use. And then next I took the ribbon and I also put it on dance for Saturday. And you can see what I've done is I've put it on the left-hand side, but in a little bit I write so wonky I end up shifting it to the right-hand side because my writing was just horrible today. All right, so now what I'm done in, I've just gone in and written what I was doing, and I put Wright days, and I don't know why I wrote that because what I meant to put is time to plan. You know, there's just sometimes when you write things and you just don't even know where you're going. All right, so next what I've done is I've put a sticker down. That's for the doctor's. It's a doctor's stethoscope, and that's also from my shop. And that's to remind myself to pick up some new medication that's supposedly to help me actually feel better and resting, and I haven't been taking it, so I don't know if it's worked. Next, I wrote in just a few more things I need to get done that day. And then following Tuesday, I wrote in my daughter's birthday, the class schedule, a few more to-dos. Wednesday, I put in last party shop, things to get for my daughter, listings, the time of her dance, more to-dos. Friday, I bounced back a little bit, as you can see, and I put in some to-dos on that day. And then I went back to Thursday and I put just remind you that the kids need to do their homework because this weekend we wouldn't have any time. And then I also went in and put in a few more to-dos, and one of them included dyeing my hair. And as of this moment, it has been dyed, but it needs to be redone, and it just it didn't hold very well, but that's mostly my fault. So then I went in on Friday and I put down, as you can see, there was a bathtub sticker, and I decided to use that day as a me time, or rather that evening as me time. But while that was originally planned, I'm pretty sure I spent most of it packing little party bags for my daughter's party. Then I went in on Saturday and I put in party time, dance. As you can see, that's when I changed the ribbon around. Next, I just pop this back into my Naya Papery planner, and then I'll show you the remaining stickers in this kit. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!